Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. So today I'm going to show you my super easy slow cooker beef stew. This is the most simple recipe, literally just bang it all in the pot and whack it on. So what I usually like to do is I put it all in the slow cooker the night before and then pop the actual slow cooker pan thing in the fridge, and then all I've got to do in the morning is just lift it out, pop it in the slow cooker and turn it on. And then while I'm at work, it is just brewing away. And it honestly, you come home at the end of the day and it smells like your aunt's been there just cooking some amazing stuff. So 100% recommend. Obviously, just to be noted that most slow cooker beef stew recipes that I've seen in the past, they say to brown your meat off. Obviously you can do this, I'm sure it adds lots of flavour, but I don't do it purely because this slow cooker recipe is meant to be really quick, really simple, and just one that you don't have to worry about. So I just sort of wanted to take out as much hassle as possible. And obviously I've tried it so many times now and I can't really, I'm sure you could taste the difference, but I'm not missing the browning off of the meat. I don't see the point personally. Please don't shoot me, because obviously I know chefs out there can be like, it's essential, but as a busy person, this is so much easier. It still tastes amazing, and honestly, just don't stress. Just literally bung it all in and you're good. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I will see you guys in a little bit.
So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 kilo of stewing beef, 1 bay leaf, 1 clove of garlic minced, 3 onions finely diced, 3 potatoes diced, and a handful of mushrooms is optional. 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, 1 to 2 pints of beef stock, 300 ml of red wine, this is optional, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to season.
Now all you want to do is cook it on high for about 8 to 10 hours. This cooking time will vary depending on your slow cooker. Another optional step is to make dumplings. I just use the recipe that is on the back of the suet box and then pop them on top of the stew about 30 minutes before you serve up. And there you have it, a really easy and delicious slow cooker beef stew. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm trying to get out to as many people as possible and it is quite difficult. But I really appreciate all the subscribers. I've just hit over 100, which is insane. That was my goal for this year and I've hit it a little bit early, which is really nice. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.